Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to be showing you how to cut a video in CapCut using split and crop. Okay, so to do that, open your CapCut, import a new project. So at this point, come and import the video onto edit. So I'll look for this video here. So I will look for this video over here, then I say add. So after adding the video, I'll play it. Okay, so if say I want to cut I want to cut this video from here, I'll come and tap on edit. So this time I'm going to use the split option because that's the main focus in this video. So I'll come and tap on split. So at this point here where I'll split this video from, I'll just come and select in the second phase of the video that I have cut off. Then I select delete. Okay, so when I select delete, the other second phase of the video has been cut off. So I can literally play this video here using the first phase only, which means I have split the videos using CapCut. Okay, so that's how to split videos in CapCut using cropping or any other method. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and hit the like button.